Welcome back guys to our latest video. Here you're going to find a few faults. One of them's to do with the stop line in Dunfemline, East Port Street. We've got one regarding reversing the car into a bay. Hi Pete. Hi mate. We've got a fault for going round a roundabout a little bit too quickly. And we've got a speeding fault for the Sirius. So stay tuned and hopefully this video will be quite helpful. Let's go! Now up ahead, we're going straight on towards East Port Street, the city centre, making our way towards the stop line. Now we've got not a bad approach here. We've got our mirrors and our signal done. The problem here was that the position's meant to be a curve to the left, not straight on. And that's what happened, the car went straight ahead. Now, because the signal was on, I've marked it as a minor fault, not a serious fault. The next section's the independent drive, following the road signs. So the learner is coming into the car park to do a reverse bay park. They choose a bay on the left, highlighted in green, and pull up beside it. They drive forward 3 bays. They come to a stop, they get the car ready, they do their checks, and they start reversing in towards the bay. Now you can see here they weren't quite happy with it, so they came forward, a little bit of a correction and then back in again. Now this is how it looked when they finished. You can see that it's inside the lines on both sides, but it's hanging out at the back a little bit. Not a serious fault, it didn't hit the curb. It looks a little bit worse, but I've marked it as a minor fault. Now onto this roundabout turn and right third exit. We've marked a minor fault here for a little bit of a loss of control. It speeds up here as it moves out. They regained control and there was nothing serious, just a little bit more control would have been a little bit tidier. What you're about to see here is the learner's speed on the screen, what they're actually doing in a 30 zone. Now they go to change lane here, and as they change lane they start speeding up. They get to what, 36, 37, I had to ask them to bring their speed back down. Serious fault right towards the end of their mock test. Unfortunately when you're changing lanes you can't speed the car up over the limit.